Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a special little one in my life that loves books, and from the time she was born, she has been super interested in books. So one that she really likes is this Blue Hat, Green Hat. It is the cutest little thing, and as they grow, they really get into it more and more. So what's so cute is each page has a little part that says oops. There's a little bird or a turkey that doesn't know how to dress properly. So it says blue hat, green hat, red hat, oops. Red shirt, blue shirt, yellow shirt, oops. So each page it's the oops, and they love that part. And then of course all the way to the end with it goes to the shirts, the socks, the shoes, until the very end when the bird is completely dressed and dives into the pool and it says oops. I don't know why, it's a silly story, but they love it. So if you're looking for a cute, entertaining book, it's hard, durable, it's gonna hold up for a long time, I highly recommend this one. And that is just my point of view.